Guys, look! This is yummy! Another lovely day mga ka-lifestyle, and it's another day for a new recipe. Are you ready for a healthy and delicious recipe yet simple to do? Yes, I am ready because I am so excited with this very simple recipe, and it's called an eggplant salad. Do you know that eggplant is also nutritious? It is rich in fiber. However, most of the people cook it fried. But this time, I want to cook it in the most healthier way to absorb its potential, its nutrients, and its health complements. So here are the very simple ingredients of an eggplant salad. Of course, eggplant, 1 whole, half of lemon, 1 clove of garlic, half of red onion, spring onions, parsley, and yogurt. It can be 1%, 1.5% or 3%. These are the ingredients of an eggplant salad. What's the first thing to do? To wrap the eggplant in a foil, okay? And put on the fire on high heat and put it directly on the fire. It could take from 15 to 20 minutes. Turning it around every 5 minutes. Okay? While we are cooking the eggplant on fire, it's time to prepare the sauce of our eggplant salad. It's so easy to do. So watch this. guys, now we're going to create magic on our eggplant salad. Watch this. So now that I have shown you on how to prepare and cook the eggplant salad, hope you enjoy it because it's very nutritious and delicious. So for now, goodbye and shalom. Take care and be healthy. Bye bye.